This crosstab is looking into data for the previous 12 months. I'm using a dynamic criteria here, looking into 12 months of data. And what I would actually like to do is to look at each individual month and compare that to the previous month to see whether we have a growth or drop in our number of sales. So I'm going to add a custom calculation as a single column, and we can call this our monthly growth calculation, like this. And we need to look into the values from each individual month. So that might be a 71,0,1. Let's just apply it. So that's just a copy of the monthly values. And then we're going to subtract at first the values of the previous months. And well, previous months is equal to previous rows. So for example, this one, looking into May, we need to pick data for April. So that'll be -1 that we're going to use as a row reference. And put that into brackets. That's just the difference. We want to express that as a percentage of the previous month. So again, sum_d1 -1, m1. Apply that. It will give you something like this. We just need to format it into a percentage like this. And well, we got nice growth here. You can see the last growth here going from 567 to 700 is almost 25% growth. However, up here we got something undefined, and of course that's because we are referring to something outside the crosstab here. So these two places where we're referring to the previous row, we need to put in a fourth parameter into this formula syntax. And for example here, where we are subtracting something from previous month, let's just subtract 0 if we can't hit anything. And over here where we're dividing by the values for previous month, we don't want to divide by 0, but we can actually divide it by, well, in this case, let's just divide it by the same value as the current month. So that would be a sum_d1, 0, 1. So you can put in just numeric values, or you can put in full calculations expressions like you see here. And in this way, we get rid of the undefined thing, and this one will now look as a just 100% growth.